everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video guys. And today I'll be showing you how you create a new campaign on Google Ads step by step. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that you can do this yourself. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys, go ahead to the official Google Ads website ads.google.com and log into your account. If you do not already have an account guys, just go ahead and register for a new account, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of your dashboard and all the campaigns that you have. So guys, if you currently do not have a campaign, then there is a very simple way to do it. As you can see, there is a button right here called New Campaign, and you want to click on this blue button right here with a plus sign that says New Campaign, and this will bring you to the new page guys that will enable you to start your new campaign. So you want to first select what kind of objective you have. Let's say our objective is website traffic. So clicking on website traffic guys, then go ahead and click on continue, and next is to select a campaign type. So let's say we want to increase our search, and after increasing our search guys, you want to enter your business website. Let's say our business website is tutorials.com. So go ahead and click on continue after entering your website name and select what you want to focus on, either conversions, on conversion value, clicks, or and so on. So let's say we want to clicks. So you can set a maximum cost per click bid limit if you want, then click next. And here guys, you just enter all of your other details so you can finish up entering your campaign and setting up your campaign. So clicking on next guys will bring you to the next page where you'll be able to finish it up, and then just click finish and you have created a new campaign that you can then edit and add ads for. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you add a new campaign. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.